Hi, welcome to Simple IELTS Solutions. My name's Simon. This channel is all about helping you to get the best score possible in your IELTS test. This video is all about IELTS speaking, and it's about how to extend your answer in IELTS speaking. This is primarily for part 1, but you could use it on part 2 or even part 3. It's a very short video, so make sure you watch it to the end, and I'll talk to you about a couple of techniques that you can use to extend your answer and make it a bit more interesting. So many times I go through IELTS speaking questions with my students, and they'll say to me, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. So I'll say, do you like reading? And they'll say, yeah, I like reading. And then I'll say, well, yeah, keep going. And they say, well, I don't know what to say. So we've got an example here. Do you like to swim? So we might start off, sure, I'm keen on swimming. But then we need to give a little bit more information. Because for part 1, you need about 3 sentences. You want to be talking for 20 or 30 seconds, really. Sure, I'm keen on swimming. It's a bit short. So we want to give a little bit more information. So how are we going to do this? Well, we can do this in a number of ways, but I'm going to talk to you about 2 ways. We can talk about where you swim. So we could answer something like this. Sure, I'm keen on swimming. I love to swim in the ocean, and you can often find me at the beach. Okay, bit more information there. Also, we could talk about when. So answer again, sure, I'm keen on swimming. I am part of a swimming team and I train twice a week at my local pool. So this answer is not only where, but it's when as well. So if you want to extend your answer, particularly in part 1, make sure you give details. Details like when or where you do something. Part 1 questions are all about you. They're all about things that you do or things that you like. So this should be something that's fairly easy for you to talk about. But if you're running out of things to say, then make sure you think of where and make sure you think of when. Don't forget to hit that like button to make sure this video shares to as many people as possible. Also, you can share it with anyone you think it would be helpful for. And if you want more help with your IELTS speaking, then make sure you check out this playlist here. And good luck with your English, good luck with your IELTS, and I will see you here very, very soon. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.